Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada! This is Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 0, MC Alga 0. It's a CAF Champions League, my brother. How's it?
Big right whenever.
Kemonate, man. How do you feel about the game tonight?
What can I say? I'm not happy.
Yeah,
But I'm happy. Why?
you're confused.
No, it's just it's oxymoron. I'm happy and I'm not happy at the same time. I'm happy because the results are saying we are progressing to the semi-final, but we should have used the home ground advantage. But understanding that there is one of the greatest strategists of war, Sun Tzu. He had to understand that these people are coming to our home. We have won away. What we need to do is that we don't concede. As long as we don't concede, let them come to the game.
Observe them.
Let's build the greatest wall of Orlando. The greatest wall of Orlando. We build the wall. We maintain the middle field. We let Umafukana then we win the game. We frustrate them. You need to understand. This boys doesn't have that deep experience, CAF experience, but they can show you good. No, we don't have it, but Pirates has it.
Exactly.
The team itself, the team per se, has CAF experience. We are new players, but we can inherit from the history of the team. You understand? They came with a mentality of we're going to keep a championship score. 1-0. A championship score. My last message. Must win, must start his stars. The second star. Union Building. Ramaphosa ya Puma. Uyangena ukhosi. Ramaphosa ya Puma. Uyangena ukhosi.
No, ukhosi ngeke ukhosi kumele aphumule
bafu. Uyayazi
right ebholeni.
If there will be no election, there will be coup d'etat. We are going to remove him by force. We are going to remove the current president by force. Samfagu cause. Asilwi. We don't fight. We don't fight.
Last khuluma ngebhola la. Siyeke ama politics la.
It's not politics.
My emotion. Yazi Ramaphosa. No, Ramaphosa yazi uyipha kaniya.
You know why I'm saying this? You know why I'm saying this? You know why I'm saying this? Imagine if the whole of South Africa is happy like me. If the president is Ivan Khoza, the whole of South Africa will be happy like me. Imagine if South Africa can fall.
After winning star, because no, Silo span pyramid, Silo span liga final. Understand? Because when I Thomas celebrate no, I can no tabile ne. Mara, bola na defo. When Zamora at least I get to Tamilo win a game at a time, one game at a time.
No, it's an ancient battle. It's pyramid versus the ghost. Yeah, we are going to see.
But when you're going to the final, you don't have to compare. And then we'll talk after the final.
We'll talk after the final.
It's all